What does Kabbalah say about the unity of God? In Kabbalah, the unity of God is a fundamental concept often expressed through the idea of Ein Sof, which translates to the infinite or endless. Ein Sof represents the absolute, infinite nature of God, beyond any limitation or definition. Kabbalistic teachings emphasize the idea of the Ein, the nothingness that preceded creation. This nothingness is not empty but rather full of potentiality, representing the state before God's self-manifestation in creation. From this state of Ein Sof, all creation emerges. The tree of life, a central symbol in Kabbalah, illustrates the emanations of God's divine energy as it descends from Ein Sof through various sephirot emanations or attributes until it manifests in the physical world. Overall, Kabbalah teaches that while God is infinitely beyond human understanding, there is an underlying unity and interconnectedness to all existence that reflects the oneness of the divine.